Alright guys, on our way to the hotel room.
I'm going to go straight here, he said. You got it?
Yep. Trying to find the room key. $147.
That'd be right here. Need help?
Alright, so we finally arrived. And not to be over picky, but I was promised a balcony. That is not. So that was a little disappointing. And B, I was promised a kitchenette and a table, not a shared room. That's a shared door in case you wanted to reserve the room next door in case you had a family. So tomorrow morning when we go down, I'm actually going to request they give us the upgrade for free because this is not what was advertised on booking.com.
No.
This is smaller and this is not
terrible.
That's fine. It's not bad, but it's not what I paid for either, which isn't acceptable. It's misadvertisement. A bunch of stuff plugged in over here. Alright guys, now that I've kind of ranted about them getting the room wrong, let me just give you a quick rundown of what we got here. This is the bathroom. It's my ugly ass. Hair dryer, basic sink, toilet, not too bad. Extra roll hidden back there. Let me show you that. There you go, better view. I mean, everything looks fine. There's not too much damage or nothing on anything. Yeah, I don't want to be overcritical, but place is nice. I mean, it's not a bad room. Full size ironing board, iron. Here's a full mini fridge. It's minimum, but it does work. Just turned it up a little bit. Microwave. Need help?
Me?
Yeah, you need help?
No, I got it. Thank you.
Alright. We got a microwave over here. We got coffee maker, a little bit of coffee. We got 4-cup decaf coffee filter. Oh. And then I guess this is room to brew. Room with a brew coffee. Ah, interesting. We got ice container here. Kristen, who's trying to run into me.
Yeah, one from my mom again.
Oh, okay. So she has all the outlet things over here. I didn't know this was here. I'm assuming you've already taken over this side of the bed.
Yes.
We got 2 couches, recliners, which is kind of cool, and a beautiful view of the street. Look at this. Get naked and just stand here. So all my glory, just I get a little thrust in there. Oh, there's a 24-hour ATM across the street. Oh yeah, there is, isn't there? I do like the concept of maybe waking up to the sun, hopefully. We got a phone, notepad, a light, 2 pillows, and the bed looks clean, so Nice business chair. And LG with satellite TV. Oh. I'll let you guys know if I wake up with bed bugs.
Hello. What's up?
Alright guys. Part 2 of When in Rome. Look what we found here under the bed. She got some band there and some cotton swabs. I wonder what you were doing with that. Maybe some heroin? Maybe not.
Show them what's in the drawer.
Oh, you guys ready for hold
When
on.
in Rome, part 3.
When in Rome, part 3. Yeah, condoms in the side. And for the motherfuckers who left that shit,
It must have been Danny DeVito with his Magnum Doms.
we have here a one holy Bible
And my
for those
medication.
motherfuckers.
I don't mind those.
Alright guys, Kristen's going out that way. I'm coming through this way. I just wanted to give one last quick tour. Ice machines over here don't really work. Hallway connects in a square. All hallways have these entrances, which go out this way. Secondary trash. All the rooms are lined up here. Full pool court. Denny's over there, which is trash. You wait 45 minutes for your food. We were supposed to have one of those rooms with the balconies, but we got gypped. Little patio garden area. Staircase upstairs. Vending machine over there. And then this way to the men in charge. Take it right. And then gazebo here.